Good morning guys, I hope you're all well. I'm up bright and early this morning because I'm getting on a super early train to Camber Sands. I'm going on a 24-hour, not even, press trip with Biosculpture, which is the gel nail brand, hosted by my friend Jess Diner, who's the beauty editor of Vogue. I think it's going to be a really lovely, like, 24 hours. Shame the weather is not playing ball. We're literally going to the beach, but it's cold and windy and rainy, so that is a massive shame, but I think it's going to be really nice anyway. Hopefully going to get my nails done, that would be lovely. And so we're meeting at King's Cross St Pancras very early this morning. I'm just packing up my suitcase and I hope you enjoy coming with me on this trip. Guys, we've just arrived. It was super quick on the train. I can't believe how quick and easy it was to get here. But we're here and I think the rain has finally stopped. The sun is coming out, blue skies are making an appearance, and we're getting straight into it with a bracelet making workshop, which is run by Love Ruby Ross. It's very cute. We have all the little tools and all the beads. Oh my gosh, Gray would absolutely love this. She's going to be very jealous.
So I'm going to go round and give everyone their beads.
Guys,
I preempted the goal.
This calls for some glasses.
Hang on, I have given you
You're going to have to concentrate and have good eyesight.
So I am wearing every colour in case you want to deliberate.
I'm going to go for gold, please. Thank you. I don't know what we're doing. I'm not very good at listening. I feel like I'm in school. I wasn't concentrating. We haven't been told to do anything yet, have we? No. Okay, great. Thanks.
I don't think so, otherwise I'm behind.
Right. Guys, there are so many things to decide
I'm going to show
on.
you how to do it.
There's like different coloured letters, there's clear letters. Look at these clear letters, they're really cool. I like that, it's not as obvious. Okay,
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I've decided to do an initial for every family member and an evil eye.
Ironically, this is hard to do with nails.
Okay, yeah, very.
What are you doing? I'm doing it.
Right guys, we're in a flow. I'm almost finished. I just need to put on some gold ones. I hope it's like got enough
So
on
this is
it.
slightly larger than I would normally make, so it's up to you.
Just kind of got to shake it there. You go.
You look like
I don't have big wrists.
This is what I've got so far.
But then I don't tell me it's too small, but if it is, I'll do it.
Okay, so this is my bracelet. We're gonna get it closed. Very excited.
That's so nice, well done.
Oh, I love it. Right, bracelet making done, and now we're getting manicures and I think pedicure later. I'm very excited. I've got a girl called Georgia Ray who I've been told is the best. So I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I kind of want something colourful, I feel like. Guys, I'm obsessed with my nails. That was the nicest manicure ever. Also, I'm pretty sure the girl I had did Sophia Richie's nails for her wedding, which is pretty mega. Just seeing my camera is so dirty. We're now sitting down for lunch. We were meant to have lunch on the beach, but it's actually really nice now, but it's a bit, you never know which way it's going to go. So we're going to have fish and chips. I'm so hungry. Let me give you another look at my nails. So nice. Lunch was absolutely delicious, fish and chips. I literally inhaled it all. And now we're on to the next thing, which is a pedicure. This is such a treat day. We are having Ellen pedicures, which I've had before. It's a medical grade pedicure, but not a scary one. I've had one before that made me feel faint because it was too much. This is a really lovely, gentle one, but your feet just feel like fresh new baby feet afterwards. So that is what we're going for now. Having a great time. I've even got a glass of rosé. Look at Catherine's nails. So that's Donna with the chrome.
Exactly.
And I think I'm going to do Donna on my feet because it's nice. It's really nice, like a neutral-y colour. was so good. As good as I remember from last time. Like a medical pedicure, but gentle. Not at all abrasive, really lovely. My feet feel so good. But that was a pretty quick changeover because I really want to get down to the beach before dinner. We haven't got much time, so I've quickly went back to my room to kind of check in, freshen up, and now we've come down to the beach.
Oh dear, I'm not sure how these shoes are going to cope with this. They seem to be.
What shoes have you got on?
No. They seem to be filling up with sand. You found the down point to this style of shoe.
Guys, look at this.
You feel like you're a million miles
What?
away from, like,
Why do I live in London? That's what it makes me think. What a mug. I could be living here. Wow. Go on. Woo! Oh my gosh, she's actually going in. That's commitment to the run.
500 metres sprint.
Woo! Oh, that's a bit dark. Let's move you. I think I'm gonna take my makeup off and start again, which feels a little bit extreme. Kind of got time, I think, and I just woke up so early. I did this makeup at like 6 AM. It's lasted pretty well, but I think it needs a bit of a top up, a bit of a refresh before dinner. The Camber Sands beach is so beautiful. Like, it's a proper sandy beach. You don't get that in a lot of places in the UK. A lot of them are stony. Like, I definitely want to come back here with the kids. This particular hotel, I think, is adult only. I would love to come back just with Rich, but that's not going to happen. But maybe we can find an Airbnb or another hotel nearby that will have kids and go to that beach because it's really, really gorgeous. The sun came out for a little bit. We had some rosé on the beach. Honestly, I just feel very lucky right now. This is such a treat for a Monday. It's ridiculous. Really lovely group of girls, which makes all the difference. And we've all kind of gone back to our rooms now. We're gonna get ready for dinner. Just feeling very fresh with our nails. This is so bright for me, but I'm loving it. I'm leaning into the color thing. I brought a really nice outfit for tonight. I will show you. I'm gonna quickly go wash my face and then quickly do my makeup so I can do my hair and get dressed and everything. Okay, I am ready for the dinner. Took my makeup off, redid it. I wasn't going to, but then when I started to add more makeup on top, my eye area is just so dry at the moment. I've got a bit of eczema there, so everything was just getting a little bit dry. I want to show you my outfit, but the room is not the best place for it. The mirror, it will be too dark. So I'm gonna head outside and maybe see if someone can film my outfit for you guys. Guys, I'm just gonna quickly talk you through what I'm wearing. This is from Align, which I got last week. And the trousers are from Nobody's Child. They're part of that set that I wore last year with the waistcoat. And then the shoes are from And Other Stories. And this little bag I got when I went to the Align press day. It's like a little gift. I don't know if it's something they actually sell. But yeah, I'm really liking, I'm gonna come a little closer. I really like the pale blue of this. You know, I'm blue obsessed. Thanks. Guys, we are playing bingo. This is very exciting. I've just been asked if I'm fast with the dabber. I can't remember. I think in my 20s I had a phase where I was very into bingo, so this is exciting.
Ladies is not easy, so thank you also to all the childcare that is happening behind the scenes to make this happen. Rise and shine, 29. Doctor's orders number 9.
Oh, that's my lucky number. Sally's just told me that they go 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s. It's changed my life because I was scanning the whole thing.
Even though you used to play
18.
bingo.
I know, but I was young and naive, clearly.
3 friends.
Oh my God. I'm loving my dad.
2 more prizes. 26. Shit. Fire again.
Sorry, I keep touching your bum.
Look how gorgeous the dinner table is. Wow. This is so amazing. Oh, I love it. Look how cute.
I've got a very northern
Right. Oh, how flammable am I? We're doing s'mores. But I think I might just go for the marshmallow. Are you doing like the full...
No, the best bit about the s'more is like the biscuit and the chocolate.
Oh, really? I don't know if I've ever done one. Is that a controversial thing to say? Sorry.
I've never done a proper one.
No. Okay.
I feel like your
No,
rotation
this
there
You're
is
in.
quite professed.
Very
Okay.
Camber.
Wait, what do I do with this?
Either on the bottom. Yep, that's fine. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, hold on. Give that a second.
Yeah, you said, yeah.
Really? Yeah.
This
I think I've had
looks like it's gonna make me feel really sick. Right, let's try. How?
This is just go for it. But genuine, it's the best thing you've ever had.
Oh wait, well,
Not ready.
that's not good.
You need it. You need
I'm just
it.
gonna take that marshmallow bit, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Have a bit of everything. No, we need to see you have a bit of the chocolate and the biscuit.
How? It's gonna
Go on.
fall everywhere.
Get,
Oh my god, no. Doesn't like a quiz. Jess.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Such a lovely day, such a lovely evening. We've woken up to sunshine. Most of the group have gone to the beach to do yoga / breath work, but I couldn't quite get up early enough, you know me. So I just kind of took my time, enjoyed having a bit of a lie-in, and I'm now heading there to the beach to have a little walk in this beautiful weather. Guys, I can't get over how massive this beach is.
Yeah.
It's just like,
Yeah.
goes on forever and ever. Erica, loving your outfit today. Where's the shirt from?
Shirt is H&M.
Really? Recently?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one. It's
I have embraced the beach thing.
yeah, because it's not like a stiff shirt.
No, it's not. It's
Oh,
it's
that.
quite-
Okay,
lots of colours.
you'll see that in my next video, guys. Very nice. I've been collecting a couple of shells to take home for Gray and Rudy. Although I've just
Sometimes I have that.
feel like maybe the size difference is going to cause some sibling arguments. Maybe I should get another big one. I'm home. I can't believe I got back to London and it's cold and rainy. It was literally warm, sunny, beautiful in Rye this morning. That walk was so nice on the beach. And then we all just travelled back together. It was such a lovely group of women. Everyone just like really on the same page, very welcoming, warm, accepting. And a group of different women, like some who are mainly content creators, some who are journalists. And in the past, I think brands would often split us and do like journalists on one trip and content creators on the other, and sometimes it doesn't work to mix it, but it really did this time because everyone was just the right kind of, it was a really good guest list and everyone respects everyone's different jobs and what they need to do. You know, if some of the journalists needed to sit and write and check in with colleagues, they would take themselves away. Maybe they didn't need to do the bracelet making activity because they're not so much there to get content. And so they would do one thing, we would do another, and it just really worked and flowed, and it was really wonderful to see because there were years where that just didn't work. Oh my god, look at my hat, it's just like flattened in the case. Anyway, it was really, really lovely. And now I'm home and I've got a long list of things to do in the next 3 hours before school pickup. I took this silk scarf with me because after my last vlog where I used the face cover to try on the clothes, someone on Instagram messaged me, actually loads of people were like, just use a silk scarf. So this has changed my life. I now do this and then I put a t-shirt on and I don't get makeup on my top. And the same when I take it off, I put this on, I tuck it into the top and then I take the top off. God, it's gonna save my clothes from unnecessary washing. I'm so obsessed with my nails, by the way. Let me show you closer up. Before anyone comments, yes, I do still use Manicures. Manicures is an at-home gel kit and I love it for like in between when I'm not getting my nails done. It lasts on me about a week to 10 days. If I'm not like doing loads of washing up and stuff, and I think it's great. It's not the same thing as Biosculpture. Biosculpture is totally different. Biosculpture was the first ever gel manicure stuff. It's been around forever. It started in South Africa. The product's still made in South Africa. It's a family-owned business. I met the founder yesterday, who's actually a friend of a friend, weirdly, but his mum started it. He's taken it over from her, which is so, so lovely. This is a terrible angle. I don't know if you saw when I was having it done, but it's in little pots and they paint it on and it just means it lasts so much longer. Like depending on how quick your nails grow, because then obviously you get the regrowth, these can last for like 3 weeks to a month from my experience. They're just so, so gorgeous. They've got really lovely colours and they remove just the same as other gel polish. You can have a look on their website. Oh, actually, where's that thing? I was gonna say you can have a look on their website to see where the where are the salons that use biosculpture near you. But they also have this little like thing. Where is it? I can't find it. It's a concierge service. It's basically a WhatsApp number that you can message to find out how to book a biosculpture manicure, whether it's at a salon or someone that comes to you or something. I'm gonna get on with my unpacking. Something very exciting is happening today. Our bench cushion is arriving. I'm so nervous. I just really hope it fits. I hope I like it. I hope stitching is right, because he asked me if I wanted piping or a saddle stitch and I didn't really know, and I just hope it works. And then my friend Jake is coming over for dinner tonight. So I need to crack on. But thank you for coming with me on that little trip. I am forever grateful that I get to do these incredible things. And I really hope that you enjoy the content that I made from it. I'll link everything down below that I wore, that I mentioned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!